What's the purpose of a helping hand? In this week's edition of A Ray of Hope, TVJ's Ken Morgan tells us how the Heart Trust NT has stepped in to help alleviate a food shortage at Mapen Hospital.
A Ray of Hope. Baskets in abundance, food in all its glory, all for a worthy cause. The Ebony Park Heart Academy making a surprise visit to the Mapen Hospital to help it alleviate its nutrition problem. Chairman of the Heart Trust NTA, Dr. Janet Dyer, says the idea to help came up after seeing the hospital's plight in the newspaper.
As soon as I saw it, I was like, yes, I need to jump on this one.
From fruits to vegetables, every grown provision handed over was grown by trainees. Dr. Dyer says the hospital need fits in with the entity's vision, which is to get more involved in corporate social responsibility and to get students to better understand the real world.
We will be using our students to give them the kind of exposure to what I call real work experience, to go to every hospital on the island, every infirmary, to get that practical exposure. Instead of them staying in the classrooms and practicing with these things that we buy, they will go into the real world and use those same materials to fix up the place, build the communities.
Dr. Dyer says this is the first of many more partnerships.
I don't know the day that I'm going to be in the Mapen Hospital, and when I come here, I want to be certain that I get good food. And I think all well-thinking, all decent Jamaicans who come to our hospitals need to be treated like decent people.
Appreciative of the donation, Senior Medical Officer at the hospital, Dr. Bradley Edwards, is encouraging Jamaicans to give more.
I appeal to the private sector, I appeal to the diaspora, and I appeal into every Jamaican. Put back and stop taking out.
Come on board with us now. We can't be just looking to get things to put in our pockets. Let us help those who are not as fortunate as we are.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Ken Morgan.
A Ray of Hope.